guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you guys once again into my home. Now, if you're new, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you love home decor, shopping hauls, DIYs, shop with me, cooking, cleaning, and anything else that deals with the home, then you're in the right place. If you want to become a part of this family here, just hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I want to say I thank you, I appreciate you, and I love you guys so much. But you also know what I love to say right here? Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, because once you start that playlist link, I don't want you to have any reason to get up, to have to stop looking, because we're going to share with you guys some, it's part of a collaboration. It is the $10 Thrift Flip Challenge. You find something $10 or less and you flip it. It has to be home decor, and you make it be fabulous and you use it into your home. That's the gist of it. Alright, I'll give you more information about that as we go along into the video. Be blessed, take care, and enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget, if you're new and you want to become a part here, just hit that subscribe button. Alright, you guys. So guys, my thrift find is a pair of metal wall sconces, and they have that old antique look about them, and I just don't like that color. It's not what I need. So I'm going to repaint them with a refresh using metallic brass paint by Rust-Oleum, and it has that bright and shiny finish. I'm using painter's tape, and the paint, both of those I have on hand. So my wall sconces were $10 from a consignment shop, and this is what I will be sharing with you guys today. Now, this is part of the collaboration, the $10 Thrift Flip Home Decor Challenge, and it is hosted by Thrift Queen Vlogs, and her co-host is Around the House with Cheryl. Both of their channel links you will find in my description box below. Now, for those of you, if you're new to my channel and you want to become a part of, just hit that red subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell twice. But I'd love for you all to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my wall sconces. Let me know what you think about the price of them. And don't forget to check out the hosted co-host and the playlist link. Alright, you guys, continue watching and enjoy. And until the next video, I am your host, Gigi Faison, and I thank you all so much for stopping by.